Sorry guys, part two. Now I'm going to be doing a role play, so I'm excited. I have to be the customer and the checkout player, so I have to say. Okay, you right there. No basketball. Okay, correct. Okay, let's do it. Oop. Okay. Oh, let me turn my cash register on. Okay, cash register 3 is now open. Please come. Okay, Okay, ma'am, will this be all for you? Yes. You can just put your stuff right up here, please. Okay. Okay, that'll be good. Let me go ahead and scan the stuff for you with my scanning machine. I'm gonna go ahead and get it out. Let me call somebody. We have a spill on register 3. Can you please come clean this up and get us a new ice cream sandwich, please? Thank you. Okay, clean it up. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, let's start by taking out my thing. Okay, and this is a milk, so will you do that? We'll add, okay. Take all your items out of that basket, please. Put them in this basket for you. Okay, let's go ahead and move this up. Okay, ma'am, you may go ahead and put something else on there if you like. Okay. Perfect. Now, the ice cream sandwich. Oh, that's fine. It didn't really spill. Right, you can leave that stuff off for now. That right there. Okay, it's fine, mom. Let me just scan this. Okay, and this is an ice cream sandwich. Ice cream sandwich. Yeah, I'm new, kinda, so we're just adding everything up. Yeah, I barely started a day. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, it's a really hard job though. No. But like, you get paid really good. Oh, let's see. I don't really know what this one goes to be honest with y'all. Let's see. We'll just add it to, I think it's uncooked, so that's the deli, that's the meat. We'll put it for this one. Add that up, right there. Bring our other one, scoot it up. Scoot that up. Okay, let's go ahead and scan this. And this is 0. So, and that would be it for you. Yes, okay, let's equal that up. Your total is $9.75. Credit card, okay. Let's see that. Okay, here we go now. Here is your basket. Please have a wonderful day. Cash register 3 is open. Cash register 3 is open. If y'all would like, come ahead. Okay, guys, so now we're just gonna take out these things right here. Okay, mom, is this all for you today? Yes, okay. You may go ahead and take your stuff onto this thing, please. Thank you very much. Okay. Let me get out my scanner so I can scan this. Let's see. We had added this one onto here, I believe. So, oh, wait. Let me skip that back. Okay. Let's see. Let me get out my thing. Produce. Let me add it for milk. Equals, that would be $4.25. card. Okay. Thank you. Okay, ma'am, here you go. $4.25. I don't believe we added that on. There you go. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Now we're going to be paying with cash and coins. So, let's give our character some money. We'll give it, like, each, I guess. We'll give our character $10. $5 for all of this stuff, though. Because we haven't done this yet. So, we'll put that right there. And some $20. And put the rest in there. Let's put this over though. Come on, go in. I'll give our character some 20 cents and 10 cents. Whoa, okay. Now let's go on with our character. Let me put that right there, but our character doesn't need this, so we'll put that right there. Okay. Let me clear that out. Cash register 3 is open. Cash register 3 is open, so come on ahead and get your stuff paid. Okay. Okay, ma'am, will this be it for you today? Yes, I believe it would. Okay, then did you find everything okay? Yes, okay. You can go ahead and start putting your stuff on. Okay. Thank you. No, thank you for shopping. Okay, let's start off. Let me get my scanner out. Let's scan our... let's see, I don't want to put that away just yet. That is our ice cream, so we're going to add that up. Put that right in there. We'll put that one right there. Okay, now we'll scan this. Okay, this is our noodles. Add that up. Let me go ahead and put this stuff on. Some milk. This is milk, so we're gonna add up our milk. Let me organize all this stuff for you right there. Let's bring this closer. Our rainbow loops. Okay. We'll add up our cereal. That is a part of this, so we're going to equal. Okay, your total will be $10.05, ma'am. Let's see. Okay, this is your box. Let me just fix the stuff for you real fast. You don't mind if I do. So it's alright. Okay, and your total is $10.75. Okay, $10. Thank you. I just need 5 cents, please. Okay. I will definitely give you your change back. Okay. Let's see. And $5, which is 5 cents. Okay. Here you go, ma'am. Have a wonderful day here. Let me go ahead and put this in for you. Okay, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye, ma'am. Oh, let me get that for you. Here you go. Bye-bye. Let's clear this up. Okay, now we're gonna see what food they're gonna have just now. We'll take out the milk and the rainbow fruit loops. And all she will be buying is some pasta noodles and some ice cream sandwich. So let's go. Hello. Cash register 3 is open. Sorry about that. Cash register 3 is open, so come on so I can scan those. Sorry, items. Have a wonderful day. Okay, well, hi mom, will this be it for you today? Yes, fantastic. Been running a little slow. Just kidding. I've been running really good because it's Thanksgiving Day coming up, so you know. Are you gonna celebrate Thanksgiving? Because like I know a lot of people are not because of COVID. But like I'm like, no, COVID is not getting ahead of me like that. I'm going to celebrate, you know. They're not even having regular birthday parties because of COVID. Yeah, I'm like, oh my god. Just have a regular birthday party. Like, you know where they've been, or I guess not. Your total is $5.00. You want me to make sure? Okay, I'll make sure fast. $5.00. Add up. Oh yeah, I did do something wrong, my bad. You can go ahead and just put that right back on. That would be delightful. I don't know what I did. I don't know. I added it up all the same. Pasta noodles. Yeah, but I'm definitely having the regularest birthday party you know of, you know? Oh, yes. Okay, so it is $5.00. Okay. Thank you. Okay, Mom, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Happy Thanksgiving. Okay, now only weird combination, guys. We're gonna do a weird combination. We're gonna do cereal with the pasta noodles. Sorry about that. I keep doing that. But cash register 3 is open, so come on ahead. Cash register 3. Okay. Okay, Mom, will this be it? Yes. Oh, perfect. Yes. Happy Thanksgiving to you. How many Thanksgiving do you have to go to? My bad for asking that question, but how many do you have to do? A lot? No. You have a lot of family? Yep. I just know. Okay. Okay, let me scan this. My bad. Oh, I just scanned something, but okay. Add that into your basket. Oh, cereal. Let me scan. Push that in. Equals. So, would you like me to check this one more time? Yes, because I'm a little new here, so my job been going great though. Yes. Yeah, they're gonna be closing everything down again. And everything just opened right back up. Well, yes, your total is $4.25. Do I have 5 cents? Yes, I have $10. 10 of these. Okay. Yes, I will. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Thank you for your money, man. You have a wonderful Thanksgiving day. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so now we're just going to do it all. Okay, yeah, you know, I have enough stuff. Giving you some money as well. Let me see real fast. Okay, cash register 3 is now open. Cash register 3 is now open. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Hi, would this be it? Yes. Okay. Well, great. Happy Thanksgiving. Is this for Thanksgiving Day? Yep. I bet your kids gotta wake up early though. Do you have kids? I'm sorry. Yeah, you do. Yep. They're gonna not want to wake up. I'm gonna stay up too late. I have some Thanksgiving myself to attend to. This is ice cream. Let's move you. Yeah. Say. Thanksgiving is one of my favorites. I like to eat the turkey especially. I don't really eat turkey, but you know what I do eat? I do like to eat chicken tenders. Those are good. Turkey, I don't really like turkey. I never like turkey. That's the main thing. I never like turkey, to be honest. Not new in my family. So I eat chicken tenders. I don't know what that's gonna do. I'll fix it right now, man. Sorry about that. Okay. And this is 0, which goes with max equals. Okay, ma'am, your total will be $10.05. Yes, give me 1 minute, please. Thank you very much. I always am fixing this because it's always like the other workers, they don't know how to do it, which is, and like organize their baskets correctly. They don't want to go home with the basket like, you know, sloppy like that. I just like to make sure they're able to hold it. Okay, your total is $10.05. $10, thank you. Yeah, you could just, you don't have 5 cents? Now you only have 10 and 20. Okay, well, we have this new thing wherever if you don't have the right amount of cents, you can go ahead and use your credit card to put that cents on. Would you like to do that? Yes, okay. Just put that right in there. Your credit card, please. Thank you. Okay. I'm just gonna slide all of this right into here. You have a wonderful Thanksgiving, ma'am. Have a nice Thanksgiving. Here you go. Bye-bye. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. So people been asking if we have anything on sale. Well, we actually do. We have on sale for turkey just because we know turkey can be a little bit expensive. So we have our turkey on sale. So yeah. It's originally like it's originally like $40 just because I don't know, I don't put the prices, somebody else, our manager, the owner here gives us the prices, but it would be $30 and not $40. $30 for the turkey. Have a nice Thanksgiving, everybody. Bye-bye. Okay. Oh yes, and for the line thing, for the line, cash register 3 is open, so yes, please come. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. That's what we always have to say to everybody. I'm like, so much work. We're only gonna get the dairy stuff, y'all. Okay, ma'am, would this be it for you? Yes. Okay, let me just take all this out for you. You go ahead and start putting it on my little thing here. That would be amazing. Yes, happy Thanksgiving to you. You must have a very good Thanksgiving. COVID though, like COVID is making everybody stay home. Not even, hopefully everybody does Thanksgiving. No, that was not right. Hopefully everybody does Thanksgiving. I know I'm gonna do Thanksgiving for sure. I'm not gonna let COVID get in the way, but I'm gonna do it with my family. Yes, family only, not my friends. Let's see. Okay, that will be $6.25. Okay, we already cash or credit? Credit, okay. Credit card means like, okay. There you go. Here is your food. Have a very good Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Give me 1 second. Okay, cash register 3 is... Oh, hold on, guys. Give me 1 second and another announce if cash register 3 will be open or not. Okay, yes, ma'am. Is there anything wrong? Just wanted to give me something. Oh, trying to get out her stuff. Can you add those items onto my 2? Yes, I will. No problem. Just these 2, right? Yes. Okay. Yeah, stay, please. I have to attend to 2 Thanksgivings. One, my grandma's, and on my other side, and my dad's side of the family, my tia. But yeah. Yeah, my tia on my mom's side of the family, my tia and stuff, my grandma will be there. And for my dad's side of the family, my tia, my cousins, even on my mom. Well, I'm not gonna explain because it is so difficult. Like, I have too many cousins on both sides of the family, so it's just so hard to explain. Oh, would you like these in your thing? Yeah, it's too hard to explain once I have too many families to go to. Okay, cereal. Okay, ma'am. Your total will be $4.25. Okay, you'll be using credit card. Okay, here, I'll take your credit right now. Okay. I hate when I don't have to write enough money. Here you go. I just put that right there. There we go. Okay, have a nice day, ma'am. Bye-bye. Have a nice Thanksgiving. Okay, guys. Oh, you would like to give me this? Oh my god, that is so sweet. Thank you, ma'am. This is probably the biggest tip I got so far today. I don't even get a tip. I don't even think we get tips in here. Okay. Okay, guys, sadly, the Thanksgiving, my cash register 3 is closing, and I get to go. So yeah, have a nice Thanksgiving. Bye, everybody. Guys, hope you all like this role play. Give this video a big fat thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments if you like my cash register. Yeah, have a nice day. Have a nice Thanksgiving, guys. Bye.